Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a kitchen essential that promises to make your everyday cooking a breeze. We're talking about the KOCH SYSTEME CS 8-inch non-stick frying pan skillet, a ceramic non-stick pan designed for performance and your peace of mind. Let's start with what really matters for any non-stick pan, the coating. The KOCH SYSTEME CS boasts a ceramic non-stick coating that's completely free from those chemicals we all want to avoid, like PFOA, PTFE, PFOS, lead, and cadmium. This is a huge plus for anyone concerned about health and safety in their kitchen. They claim this coating is durable and will maintain its non-stick performance for a long time, meaning you can whip up your favorite meals with significantly less oil or butter. This is fantastic news for those looking to cook healthier without sacrificing flavor or the convenience of food that slides right out of the pan. Beyond the non-stick surface, the construction of this pan is designed for serious cooking. It features an aluminum alloy body paired with a stainless steel base, specifically a thick, magnetic bottom. This isn't just for show, this professional-grade design is all about efficient heat distribution. The goal here is to ensure heat spreads evenly across the entire surface of the skillet. This means no more hot spots where food can burn while other parts remain undercooked. For home cooks, this translates to swifter and more consistent cooking results, making your culinary endeavors much more successful. Versatility is another key selling point, and this pan aims to deliver. It's suitable for virtually any stovetop you might have in your kitchen. Whether you're using an induction cooktop, a glass ceramic surface, an electric stove, or a traditional gas burner, this pan will work. But it doesn't stop at the stovetop. This skillet is also oven-safe, capable of withstanding temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This transition from stovetop to oven opens up a whole world of cooking possibilities, from searing a steak on the stove and finishing it in the oven to baking a frittata. It really makes adapting your cooking methods effortless. Cleaning is often the bane of any cook's existence, especially with cookware. The KOCH SYSTEME CS addresses this directly with its durable ceramic non-stick coating. They promise effortless cleaning, stating that stubborn grease and even tough stains can be wiped away easily. If this holds true, it's a massive time saver, allowing you to spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your delicious creations, or simply relaxing after a meal. The company really emphasizes how this pan makes everyday cooking a breeze. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced home chef, they suggest this skillet is up to the task. Frying eggs without sticking, flipping pancakes smoothly, saute_U00E9ing vegetables to perfection, or searing meats for that perfect crust, the claim is that this skillet handles all these culinary adventures with ease and precision. It's positioned as an all-rounder for your daily cooking needs. Now, let's break down the pros and cons based on these details. On the pro side, the health-conscious non-stick coating is a major advantage, free from harmful chemicals and promising long-lasting performance. The even heat distribution thanks to the aluminum alloy and thick base should lead to better cooking results and less frustration. Its broad compatibility with all stove types and oven-safe capability makes it incredibly versatile for any kitchen setup. And, of course, the promise of easy cleanup is always a welcome benefit. For potential cons, while the durability of ceramic non-stick is generally good, it can sometimes be less forgiving of metal utensils than some other coatings, so sticking to silicone or wooden tools is advisable to maintain its longevity. Also, while it claims to handle all culinary adventures, for very high-heat searing that requires extremely long contact times or for dishes that are prone to extreme sticking, a heavier cast iron might still be preferred. By some professionals, though for everyday use, this skillet should be more than sufficient. We'll have to see how it holds up over extended use in our own kitchen. In conclusion, the KOCH SYSTEME CS 8-inch non-stick frying pan skillet appears to be a well-rounded and practical addition to any kitchen. Its focus on health-safe materials, efficient heating, and versatile use, combined with the promise of easy cleaning, makes it a compelling option for everyday cooking. If you're in the market for a reliable, non-toxic frying pan that can handle a variety of cooking tasks and stovetops, this one is definitely worth considering. Link in the description.